Unknown facts are genuinely fascinating, but have you ever thought about how many random facts had been accumulated throughout the history of our civilization? Probably thousands, if not more. So in this video, we're going to tell you the most unknown interesting facts you should know. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. The hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and has an average surface temperature of around 450 degrees Celsius. Did you know that Venus isn't the closest planet to the Sun? That's Mercury. You'd think that Mercury would then be the hottest, but Mercury has no atmosphere, which regulates temperature, resulting in big fluctuations. Machu Picchu is an earthquake-proof city. This ancient Inca town rests on top of two fault lines in Peru. That means earthquakes were expected events. So how did they live through it? In fact, the Incans created a brilliant engineering technique called ashlar masonry, where rocks are cut to fit perfectly together without mortar. This allowed the stones to move in their place during an earthquake before settling back in their original positions. About 1 million people die every year from mosquito bites. That adds up to 2,700 per day, or 100 every hour. How? Malaria is the cause of most deaths. Mosquitoes carry the virus that causes malaria. When they bite a human, the virus is transferred to the human, who then contracts the disease. A child dies every 30 seconds from malaria. The moon's surface is actually dark. Although compared to the night sky, it appears very bright. With a reflectance just slightly higher than that of worn asphalt, its gravitational influence produces the ocean tides, body tides, and the slight lengthening of the day. There are 12 times more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Scientists estimate that there are between 200 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy, while there are an estimated 1 trillion trees on Earth. Like the stars, trees live a long time and are truly important for life. You could walk from Russia to Alaska on ice. Between Russia and Alaska lies the Bering Strait. When it freezes up in the winter, you can journey across with 3.8 kilometers being the shortest end. However, just because it's possible doesn't mean it's legal or safe, as the ocean winds are extremely cold and the ice below may shift. In 2006, 2 adventurers set out from Alaska to cross the frozen path on foot. They crossed 90 kilometers in 15 days before they were detained in Russia for violating immigration laws. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. The universe extends far beyond our own galaxy, the Milky Way, which is why scientists can only estimate how many stars are in space. However, scientists estimate the universe contains approximately I can't pronounce those zeros, stars, or a septillion. While no one can actually count every single grain of sand on Earth, the estimated total from researchers at the University of Hawaii is somewhere around 7 quintillions, 500 quadrillion grains. That's an awful big sandcastle. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This is all for today. Hope you liked the video.